Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss on a topic that why to do a MBA after a BTech degree. Okay, as you have done with BTech degree. Okay, now one is you can enter to a job world. As you can see in left side, you can enter to a job world based on your BTech degree and the technical skills you have and software skill. On this basis you can enter to a job world. And on the right side you can see you can move to MTech degree, yeah, MBA degree. While on the right side you can see that student can also continue pursue further studies such as MTech or MBA. Okay, so there are 5 reasons why you should consider doing an MBA course. So we will discuss 5 reasons. Okay, so first reason is high demand of dual specialization. Second reason is gain managerial expertise. Third reason is command higher salaries. Fourth reason is improve career prospect. And the fifth and the last reason is personality development. So today, one by one, I will 5 reasons we will discuss in a detail. So moving to the first reason, that is high demand for specialization. Our first reason is high demand for dual specialization. So now what is dual specialization? Dual specialization is you done with your BTech degree and second is your MBA degree. You done with both degree, that will be your dual specialization. You have two advanced degree. So in the current scenario in industries, professional possesses with advanced degree and also with a training certificate. In most of the companies they need a candidate who can work for who can work simultaneously on a multiple task, and they can value for their organization. This is why dual specializations like BTech and MBA combined is one of the most specialization in the industries. As you done with dual specialization, you have a BTech degree. You have a BTech degree means you have a technical skills which an engineer want, and MBA, and from MBA you also get the skills of management in business. Second reason is the gain managerial expertise. As a BTech graduate, has a has a technical skill what an engineer needs. Okay, so you have a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and extensive domain knowledge of your specialization you choose in your BTech course. MBA programs help you to understand. Now MBA programs help you to understand the role and the importance of business communication, business intelligence, human resource management, then enterprise management, and the last is time management. Okay, and many more. Moving to the third reason, which is command higher salaries. So a salary scale for most job depend on the multiple factors. Salary scale for most of the job it depend on the multiple factors. So first is education, your educational background. Second is what are the skills you have, and third is experience level. What is your experience level? And fourth is company size. How many employees are there in the company? Depending upon that, your salary. How bigger is company? What are the how many employees are there in the company? Depend on that. Your salary also is depend on that, and the last is your job profile and the location of your company. On these five multiple factors your salary depends. Okay, so moving to the next fourth reason. So fourth reason is the improved career prospect. Most of the MNCs and global brand possesses a candidate who have technical skills as well as management skill. You can find a job opportunity not only with the top national brand and some of the well-established international company like Google, Facebook, Amazon, eBay, Accenture, Oracle, and Deloitte, and many few. Next, moving to the fifth reason. Fifth reason is a personality development. So personality development, since you have done with MBA program, focuses mainly on the managerial aspect of business. During the course, students develop a host of soft skills like team spirit, leadership skills. Next is communication skills and presentation skills, and last is organization skill. These five skills you learn in your MBA program. Okay, and MBA programs help a student to improve their confidence level, thereby making them to ready for the real world. Whether you choose to pursue an MBA degree right after completing BTech or gain a few years experience in working various industries, and then enrolling yourself in MBA program, you will reap benefits in both ways. So the bonus tip I will give you that before applying for MBA, take 1 2 years of experience in the industries, either any industries you can take of your choice, whichever you like to take, because most of the graduate after completing their engineering they directly apply for the MBA. They doesn't have any knowledge about the MBA, what, how to start, what are the studies in it. Due to lack of interest, they, after the program start, due to lack of interest, they think that MBA is an invaluable career decision and they had taken. So think over this and research more and more before actually taking on it. Okay. So in next video we will discuss on the top MBA colleges in of India.